Stop using current conformal coatings and vapor deposition process. Switch to NanoFlowX next generation DIY nanocoating. It's a simple two-step 2-minute process. Requires no masking and allows PCBs to remain reworkable. Here's how easy it is to use. Step 1. Dip PCB boards into nanocoating solution for 5 seconds or apply via spray method. Step 2. Apply heat for 2 minutes. This device has now been coated. Fully protected against water, liquids, humidity, moisture, corrosion, dust, and bacteria. We have the world's fastest waterproof coatings and the world's first self-healing coatings. NanoFlowX advanced coatings are faster, cheaper, easier to use, and provide full protection. Increase reliability of electronics. Decrease returns and warranty claims. Reduce maintenance and replacement costs. Turnkey manufacturing integration and customized formulations available. Increase the lifespan of electronics with NanoFlowX.